Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing a couple of scams that are doing the rounds at the moment. One of them is purportedly going to come from Microsoft or Office 365, and they're really it's a phishing attempt to try and get your username and password. So they're going to come over here and it says your messages have not been sent. We have recently encountered a server failure, and click here to respond. Now it's going to say Microsoft and Office 365 team, but if you never want to click it, but if you hover over that, you're going to see it's going to give you some strange URL. So that's an obvious idea that it's a scam. Generally, if you've got any questions where you think it's coming from Office 365, get with your IT team. If you're working with Impress Computers, give us a call. We'll let you know what's a scam and what's not. But that thing where they're trying to get you to click, if you just hover over it, that's a pretty clear indicator that it is a scam. Now on the other side of the screen, we've got something that every now and again it might pop up, and it's got a security alert and it says your machine's infected. There's two things you can try. You can try Alt F4. If that doesn't work, Control Alt Delete, bring up your task manager and then end task. That'll close it down. Once you do that, you always want to clean your temporary internet folders by doing a disk cleanup, and you can do that by coming down to the bottom here and typing in disk cleanup, and when it comes up you can then go ahead and run that, and included in that will be your temporary internet folders, and that's where all the pop-ups are going to come from. You do those things, be careful of clicking on links and attachments, and you're going to stay virus free. For any more tips and helpful suggestions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.